Who is this? Are you a commissioner?
I am the commissioner. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Now, don't call me Miss. I'm Commissioner. Thank you.
Commissioner?
Yes.
Get to know American society through the actual law enforcement scene. The incident happened one morning. Police Matthew is patrolling the streets as usual. I found a car in front of me with insulation on the driver's side window that was dark, and the license plate covers the name of the gang that's written on it. So I turned on the police car lights and signaled stop.
Hello, can you just put this window down? How you doing today?
Good.
Hey, I'm just stopping you for two minor reasons. Okay, the first one is if you're a New Jersey driver, you actually can't have front tinted windows in New Jersey. The second reason is your license plate bracket, the silver bracket with some writing on it, it's obscuring the whole outside of the plate. I actually could barely tell what state the license plate's from. I think it's Nevada, is that true? Okay, I can just read like the bottom part of it and I can't read the bottom of the... Exactly. Yeah. So you just have your license on, your registration insurance? Check that out.
Then through further investigation, the police know, even though the driver's license was fine, but this license plate's been out for almost 2 years. This is because all vehicles must be inspected. Routine maintenance. You can only drive on the road after your car meets traffic standards to ensure traffic safety for everyone.
Okay, perfect.
How long until you get here? Because we need to take everything out of Tio's car and put it somewhere. Okay, thank you, Mom.
How long is that going to be?
She's 5 minutes away. She's 5 minutes away.
There's a girl in the back seat. Call your mother who's nearby and ask her to pick it up. The staff. The police began to explain to the car owner and driver how to get back the vehicle. The girl's mother called after about 7 minutes.
What do we need? How do we get the car back?
Valid registration, valid insurance card.
But how do they know that this is her car? Like, don't you need to give us a receipt or something? Like, how are they going to know that this one
This is the
hers?
receipt. This goes on file.
Hi, I'm Karen Turner. Hi.
It's my
Here,
mom.
I'm a resident. Here you go.
It's fine. I don't need that.
Okay, fine. I'm
You're
Karen
just
Turner.
here. You're just here as the rider, right?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here as a concerned citizen and friend of the mayor, and been in Tenafly for 20 years. I take full responsibility for them.
As soon as the woman gets out of the car, she took out her business card and told the police, "The mayor of the city is your friend." And then she started asking what happened. But before that, the police took a long time to explain to the car owner and driver.
And what is the reason they were pulled over?
The driver has all the information. He'll tell you.
No. I need to know.
No, you don't need to know.
Okay?
We're not involved here. You're picking them
No,
up.
I'm involved. Trust me,
Well,
I'm
I'm not
very
going to tell
involved.
you. He's the driver of the automobile. He's over 18. That's all you need to know.
Okay. If you can...
We don't need to see credentials.
Okay.
We've explained already.
You need a... If you can give me a little bit of space here.
Who is this? Are you a commissioner?
I am the commissioner.
Now the woman showed the police the badge. Port Authority of Newark and New Jersey. The Port Authority of Newark and New Jersey was established in 1920 to by New York State and New Jersey, under the authority of Congress, is primarily responsible for the monitoring of transport infrastructure in most areas of the Port of Newark and New Jersey, including airport and seaport tunnel bridges. It is recognized as one of the largest traffic law enforcement agencies in the United States. At the same time, it also has control over the police department, Port Authority of Newark and New Jersey. More than 2,500 police officers, governors of Newark and New Jersey. Each state will appoint 6 members to form the Port Authority of Newark and New Jersey. These committee members are often business tycoons or political leaders. And this photo is Karen, member of the committee, appointed by the former governor of Newark in the year to number 17.
One of the commissioners, and I'm heading up.
Do you have an ID with that?
That is my ID, and that is my business card. I am the commissioner of the Port Authority, and I'm heading up over 4,000 police officers. Okay? So, if there's a problem, I think I have...
There's no problem.
Well, I think there's a
It's
problem.
an unregistered vehicle.
Okay, let's hear, why were they pulled over, first of all?
Miss.
Now, don't call me miss, I'm commissioner. Thank you. Yes.
All due
Why were they
respect.
pulled over?
All due respect,
Yep. Why
the
they
driver
pulled
will
over?
tell you.
No, no, no. I need
Yes,
to know.
ma'am. The car's getting towed now.
Why is the car getting towed?
Go ask him.
No, no. I'm asking. You're the person
Go ask
who's
him.
ordered it, and trust me.
Miss, this does not involve you 1%.
Yeah, it does. It does. It does, because I'm picking them up, and
No, it
I'm
does not.
offering to take responsibility for them, and you can't even tell me the charges. I'm also an attorney, so
That's
I think
fine.
if you can't tell me what is the problem,
That's fine.
why is it such a difficulty to say why they're being pulled over and why the car's
Yes.
being towed?
Because everything has already been explained.
I know, but I need to know.
Why do you need to know?
Because this is impacting me, because
Why?
I got 4 people who are coming back to my house, including people who live in New Haven attending Yale Graduate School, a PhD student.
Corinne went on to inform the police that one of the passengers in the car was a Yale PhD student who lived in New Haven. Yale University. It is one of 10 world-class universities, top in the U.S. New Haven, where the school is located. It is also the home of former U.S. President Bush.
This is impacting me. On Easter Sunday, I got to take 4 people
I'll be honest.
back to New
I'll be honest
Haven.
with you. Should I be frank with
You
you?
can't. Yeah, I want to know what the problem is.
It's more of the way you just approached me and your
You
demeanor.
know what? Okay, that's.
I'm being honest
I
with you.
want to know
I
why.
just don't appreciate your demeanor.
I don't
You're being
appreciate.
very demanding with me.
No, I'm asking
have-
you a question which is not being answered.
But it doesn't need to be answered. It's irrelevant.
You know what?
If you'd like
You
to
don't
read
wanna-
my report, you can come down to the police department records on Monday, and you can get a copy of it.
And you can't.
I am there is no. You have no right
Sorry,
to know what's
but
going
this
on.
is. No, I do.
Explain to me why.
Because these are 4 people that I have
You
to
are just
take
a concerned.
responsibility.
Why do you have to take responsibility? They're all adults.
That's my daughter.
And she's
And
a
these
backseat
are her
passenger.
friends.
She's a backseat passenger.
And there's a
She has
problem
received-
with you describing it because you don't feel
Describing
confident. Why these people are being pulled
Your daughter
over?
has not been
And
summoned. She was not the driver. This is not her vehicle. It's not your vehicle.
I'm
How are
sorry,
you
but
involved?
this is not going to be. If you have a problem explaining what the problem is and why their car is being confiscated, then we have a problem.
Why
And
don't
trust
you-
me,
why
I
don't you-
will be in with the commissioner of police of Tenafly.
Ma'am,
It
take a
will
step back.
be.
Take a step
if
back
you
for me,
can't
please.
even describe what the
Take a
problem
step back
is,
for me. I
there's
can't
a
move back any
problem.
farther. I keep moving back farther, and you keep
Okay.
moving closer to me.
Because you can't
Can you
even
take a step
put
back?
a sentence together
Take a
on what
step back.
the problem is.
Karen is slowly getting closer. Police Matthew threatened to contact the police chief to report the incident before the situation. The police know that they can't make any mistakes. He has to stay calm and continue to respond politely.
Because I'm not because of your demeanor.
No, I
I'm
came in
under
very
no
nicely.
legal obligation to tell you.
And I'm under no
Okay.
legal obligation to tell you what I will be doing. But I will.
You can do whatever you would
Okay.
like to do.
She's been
This is a lawful motor vehicle stop. You are here to pick them up. Okay?
Okay.
There's going to be a report.
Yep.
The
There will
driver
be a
has been
report.
advised of everything that's going on.
Okay. I
All
was
the
there for
proper
your
forms have been
graduation
filled out.
when you guys came in the town, and it wasn't that long
What
ago.
graduation? What are you talking about?
Okay. Okay.
What graduation
Thank
when I
you
came
very
into
much,
what town? What-
Savitsky and Catherine. Thank you for
Have
your
a nice day.
information and help. You know what? I hope you have a really nice holiday weekend, too, because you just ruined it for a lot of people. Without
I
even the
didn't.
decency.
No, I didn't ruin anything.
Yeah,
I'm just
you
doing
did.
my job.
Yeah, you did.
I would just
This
hope
is their
you, being
Easter,
a commissioner,
this is their Passover.
that you would understand
You
the job
did it.
police officers have to do. But
There is no explanation. How can I understand?
you didn't
don't
even
have
ask
the
him.
decency.
You didn't even
no,
ask
I'm
him.
asking you because you're the one that's making the report, the problem, stating it. I'm going to
I
the
don't
source.
appreciate the way you approached me, the way you demanded information, the way
I'm
you're
not demanding.
you're
I'm
stating
asking
based
you.
off of your
I'm asking
your
you.
position
I'm asking
in another
you.
agency,
I'm asking
whatever it may
you.
be. I mean, you have a business card with
How many
credentials.
times-
I don't know you. I just met you a minute ago. You have no official
So
identification.
Louis, what's his name? Schmarodowski?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, I'm just telling you who I am. I'm very disappointed in the way the two of you are acting. You cannot even tell me, a mother living in Tenafly for 20 years with 2 kids who went through the school system, what the problem is. And that's shocking. It's shocking that you can't even give me a sentence.
I think
no,
we should conclude this.
I will.
Just for safety
absolutely.
reasons, this is a high-speed road. I think we should all get off of the road. A little bit dangerous for us being out here as long as we were
Thank
anyway.
Thank you for your concern with my safety.
Okay.
I don't need it. You can't put a sentence together. Sorry.
Okay.
That's pathetic.
Okay.
And you are a disappointment. And you are just following him. So you are also a disappointment. Okay. You can't put together a sentence of what the problem is. Now?
After Karen scolded the master police, she turned around and went on to criticize police officer Tom. You have no opinion. Just follow someone else.
Are you finished, ma'am?
I'm shocked. I'm shocked and very disappointed. Thank you for your help.
You may take them now.
You may not tell me when to take my child. You may shut the up and not tell me when I may take my kids.
Karen realized that his power and position were of no use in front of the last police officer. She was so angry that she swore in front of the police officers.
And her friends, who are PhD students from MIT and Yale. You may tell me nothing because you told me nothing. Shame on both of you. I will be talking to the chief of police.
Please.
And I will be speaking to the mayor.
Badge number 540.
I got your name. I got your name.
Just to make sure there's no discrepancy.
I know there's no discrepancy.
Matt is the first name.
No, don't you worry.
As long as you got all the information right.
I got all your information,
Okay.
sweetheart. You can't put a sentence together. That's shameful.
Okay.
That's shameful.
Have a pleasant weekend.
You have a wonderful weekend. You're going to...
A month after the incident, police department Tenafly announces full video traffic stop scene, and it quickly sparked heated discussions online a week after the video went public. Under pressure from public opinion, Ms. Karen has resigned from the Port Authority of Newark and Jersey. That's what Sheriff Roberts said. 2 of my employees did very well. No one is above the law now. I get a lot of calls every day and compliment the 2 police officers. Other local police departments also released the video and forced this law into teaching materials to provide tissue training for new police officers. At the time of the incident, Officer Matthew has been a police officer for over 6 years. The police Tom, he has been in the police force for 18 months. Karen mentioned to the police twice that she's a friend of the mayor, Peter Rashton. She said she talked to the mayor after the video was released. Mayor Rustin has also spoken out. He said Karen's really a good friend of mine, but I'm very upset about what happened. She was really nice, but she went too far. The police force was very restrained at the time. Port Authority President Kevin also formally apologized. The 2 police officers involved were Matthew and Tom. Received an official reprimand from the caller. Her behavior is deeply disturbing and deeply disturbing. Karen was eventually fined $1,500 by the Ethics Committee. What is your opinion about this event?